Three sons in my heart, so true. Eldest not here, but I will always love him too. Misses him every night, but he is out of sight. Two at my side, one long gone. I always think of him when I see the sun. He was my summer child, so fun and wild. Three sons in my heart, but one is drifted apart. Reasons why so cold, messing up my flow. Never got to see him grow, but I know he is happy and good. But time without him going so slow. Eldest son not in my life, but little one is curious and wild, full of life like a child. Sees the world through eyes like mine. Middle one is so sweet, makes my heart complete. Brown eyes and good like me, and a heart so deep. I got three sons, but one is not here. I hope one day he comes back and stay and never going away. Please, Lord, hear what I say. I need him in my life. Need all three of my sons at my side. But I get by, I have my other two, and they show me the light. They make sure every day is not a struggle or fight with my own mind. They make me humble and kind, make sure I stay online and not going back to my old life. God is my life, but little one is curious and wild, full of life like a child. Sees the world through eyes like mine. Middle one is so sweet, makes my heart feel complete. Brown eyes and good like me, and a heart so deep. Three sons and my heart so true. Eldest is gone, but I will always love him too. Lucas, you are my boo. Micah's, you are my best Lou. Silas, you are my best suit. I love you.